Lily. Welcome to our Alibaba online show. And today I will introduce our laser marking machine. It is our main product and very popular laser machine. And for our laser marker, we have the 3 types. The first type is the fiber laser marking machine. It is mainly for marking metal and some non-metal materials. And the second is the CO2 laser marking machine. It can mark non-metal materials. And the third type is the UV laser marking machine. It can mark the metal and non-metal materials. So if you have any question and are interested for any types, welcome to inquiry on Alibaba for us. And today I will introduce our fiber laser marking machine for you. And for the fiber laser marking machine, the machine shell can be made the split, yes, like the picture. And it also can make the cabinet and desktop. So you choose the machine different machine shell, and you can choose the different shaping types. And for this machine, it can by air and by sea. And for our fiber laser marking machine, it has many advantages. For the fiber laser marking machine, it has a long service life. And for this machine, our warranty is 2 years. And for this machine, it requires almost no maintenance. And for this fiber laser marking machine, it has a high speed and high efficiency. And for this machine, it is very easy to use. Yeah, for this machine, the control software is easy CAD software. So you can just download it and install it in your computer and set some parameters in the software, and then you can control the laser machine and you can mark in your materials. So for our fiber laser marking machine, we have a standard shaping agent and shaping accessories. And for the rotary device, we can also add these accessories. And you can mark the cups and the rings, and also you can also mark the pen materials. So the fiber laser marking machine is very popular, and it has many advantages. For this fiber laser marking machine, for the machine working area, it can be made the 110 by 110 millimeters and 150 by 150 millimeters and 200 by 200 millimeters and 300 by 300 millimeters. So for the machine laser power, you can choose the 20 watts and 30 watts, 50 watts and 10,000 watts. So if you have need to deep engraving and the very thin materials cutting, you can choose a higher laser power. Yes, the 50 watts or the 100 watts. Yes, for the fiber laser marking machine, it can mark in metal and some non-metal materials. And for this machine, it has a fast speed. And this machine cooling type is the air cooling. Yes, for this machine, using CAD software, it supports many field formats. Yes, AI, BMP, DST, and DXF, and DXP, and other formats. Yeah, this motion control software is easy CAD software. So, for this machine, you can choose many accessories, the rotary device, the left platform, and other function, such as the autofocus and the two red dots processing. For this machine, the warranty is 2 years, and we will package this machine with the plywood box. And for this fiber laser marking machine, it can mark in metal and some non-metal materials, and it can mark in the gold, silver, stainless steel, brass, aluminum, steel, and other metal materials, and it can also mark in some non-metal materials, such as the ABS plastic and some PVC and some leather materials. So if you have materials, you can tell us, and we can test these materials for you. Our split types fiber laser marking machine. For this machine, it is very easy to shipping, and for shipping you can choose the air shipping. So this is the machine main parts. In the cabinet it has the machine laser source, and this is the lifting handle switch, and rotary it, the motion light path can be up and down. This is the galvanometer, and this is the field length. For the field length, it can make many working areas, and we use the high quality tape. And this is a ruler, a clear ruler. This is the aluminum working platform. So those are the main parts for the fiber laser marking machine. And for the next, I will introduce those parts for you. For this machine, this is the machine size. And for this machine, when the shipping, we will pack it with the wooden box, and it is very safety. And for the machine main parts, the field length, and so for this machine, we have many working area trans. The 150 by 150 millimeters, the 200 by 200 millimeters, and the 300 by 300 millimeters. For the working area, it depends on the field length. We use the high quality field length. Wall breeds the field length. And for the machine galvanometer, we use the signal breed. It is very popular and very famous Chinese breed for the galvanometer. It has the high processing and fast speed. This is the machine working area, the length. And for the machine main parts, the laser source, it is very important for the fiber laser marking machine. We use the Chinese famous breed. We use the Max Ricas GPT laser source, and we produce a lot of machine, and we test those breed laser source, and it is very safety and suitable. And for the next part, it is the motion control board. We use the BGGCZ breed control board. It is very good for the fiber laser marking machine. And for this BGGCZ breed control board, the control software is the EasyCD software. And for the EasyCD software, it is very easy to use and have a friendly interface. And for the EasyCD software, and this motion supports the Windows system. Yes, it supports the Windows 7, 8, 9, 10, and the Windows XP system. And for the fiber laser marking motion control software, it also supports many field formats. Yes, the AI, DXF, DST, PLT, and other formats. Double red light processing. Yeah, this can. Yeah, for this two red dots, it is the focusing system. For our standard fiber laser marking machine, we use the focal length ruler to adjust the motion focusing. Yes, we route the lefty switch, and the light path can be up and down, so we adjust the motion focusing. And for this, you can also make this the two red dot processing. And besides this, you can also add the autofocus. And on the machine, it have a switch. It can autofocus for focusing system. And this is the motion function, the red light preview. And in the software, we can choose it before marking these materials. So this is the motion ruler. It is very clearly. Yes, and this is the motion left handle switch. You can rotary it, and the motion light path can be up and down. And this is the motion main switch. This is the air cooling system. Yeah, this is a fan. Yeah, it have three. And this is a power supply. Power supply switch, and USB interface, and rotary device interface, and the fault switch interface. And this is the power interface, and it can install the ground valve. This is the motion 3 control switch, the mainboard switch, the laser switch, the galvanometer switch, and the laser switch. You can open the motion from the right to the left. And this is the motion working platform. This working table is aluminum. This is the fault switch. You can use it. And this is our standard shipping accessories. This is the goggles, and you can add this, and for this it can protect your eyes, and it is more safety. And for the machine, you can add some rotary device for the machine. For the first, it is the standard rotary device, and it can marking caps and other ground materials. And the second is the ring rotary device. It can marking the rings inside and outside. And the three is the pen rotary device. It can marking a few pens at one time. And it is the working table. Yes. And this is exercise sliding platform, and For the last, it is the XY exercise sliding platform, and for the platform, it can make the motion working area have a larger. And such as if the motion working area is 300 by 300, we use this sliding platform. The motion working area can be the 600 by 600 millimeters. And this is the motion packing. Yes, we use the high quality wooden box and protect the machine inside. And we can also shipping the machine to your own country. Yeah, we have many shipping agents. And for this machine, we have many good reviews. Yes, many customers give us the 5-star. Yes, the 50 fiber laser marking machine. Yes, great service and trust will be buy again. So for the machine, the shipping accessories, it has the first two protection, and the focal length, the data length, and the power length, and the root wheel, and the U-desk, and the truth boot switch, and the processing strip. So I introduced our fiber laser marking machine. So if you are interested for our fiber laser marking machine, welcome to inquiry on Alibaba for us, and then our colleague will introduce this machine for you, and also can test your materials. And so we are first laser. Yes, we have a factory, and we make many laser machines. So today I introduced our fiber laser marking machine. So welcome to inquiry on Alibaba for us, and then we will show you the machine test video for you. So thanks for your watching.